He's our dog Duke. He's the third member of Travel Bug TV. There's the beautiful Michelle again. I'm just going to have a quick walk around Daresbury to finish this one off for you. Little Daresbury village. This is a day after the first video that we've shown you around the Lewis Carroll Centre. So yeah, we're just going to finish this little bit off for you. And yeah, let's go and have a travel round and a mooch round, and let's see what's going on in Daresbury village. Well, there she is. That's our mode of transport. It's a Volkswagen T25 1985 in a lovely beige colour. It's high top, and she's absolutely wonderful, to be honest with you. A little bit of work to do on her still. We take her to the festivals with us. We try to take her wherever we can. Yeah, she's absolutely fantastic. So that's our mode of transport today. She's affectionately known as Fanny. Everybody has to give them a name. At some point later on in our Travel Bug TV live, we will explain why she's called Fanny. But hey ho, there's Fanny. So that's Fanny. If we come around here, the bells are going again. There's Michelle with Duke. He's waiting patiently for his little walk. And there's Fanny, the Wonder Bus. And there, I don't know if you can actually see her or not, well that's actually Duke and Michelle. So we'll have a walk round and I'll take you through the village and let's see what's going on. Apologies for any wobbliness. Oops, she's just gone over a speed bump there. Didn't think it was that quick. Well, there we go. Hello. Look who we've met here. Who could this be? Come on Duke, off we go. You lead the way, mate. You're in charge. Duke's in charge today. So, look at this here. Hey, look at that. A real telephone box. This is the village of Daresbury. Hey, we're on Daresbury Lane. But look at that. A real life telephone box. Apologies if it's a little bit dark. It's very, the sun's low today. What a beautiful village. Okay, so there's the telephone box and your post box. And over the road there is the Daresbury Village Hall. And like you'd have in every single village in England, the most important place is just coming into shop now. It's the village pub. And there it is. It's the Ringer Bells. And the car park for it's round there.
Duke is having a rest.
There we go. Just coming up to the church, that's why I put the video back on. It's, look at this place. The time is 11:15. Good old English church. Got a brickwork on that. Hey? That's only your Barrett home rubbish. There we go. Michelle and Duke are off in the distance as usual. What we'll do, I'll just keep this on a little bit. It might be a little bit wobbly, but I just like taking on a little bit of a walk with us, a little bit of a mooch round. We like this mooching business. Let's see how we go. So, there we go. See what we've got here? We've got... You think that is, Michelle?
Looks like a font. Like a new font.
It is a font, I think. Yeah. Looks like an old one. See, when you come to places like this, you find these... This is actually outside. It's beautiful. You know what this old saying is? It's a font of all knowledge. Well,
yeah, isn't it?
She stood there. It's the font of all knowledge.
Thank you.
I've had 30 years of her. She's always right. Well, honestly, when you come around places like this, I feel a little bit like the real Indiana Jones. it's just fantastic. And if you have a look down here, they've got service on this morning. That's where the car park's really full. So we go at the just so I can zoom in on this so you can see it. I'm not going to go in the church, not where they've got service on, but we're actually at, there you go, All Saints Church, Daresbury. And every pilgrim's welcome. A Christian community for over 850 years. I think Michelle attended the first service. There we go. So we've got to cross over now. Let's have a bit of a walk around here. We're going, I don't know where we're going. Duke's taking us for a walk, I think.
A working telephone box.
There you go. For all you Doctor Who fans all over the world, there's a real telephone box. That's what it was based on. Well, something similar. Come on, let's go.
The kind of monster on the top.
Look at that. Hey, cobwebs up there. Can I just with the camera will pick up on that? They didn't have it. Give it a good clean. Fantastic. Can of monster on top. There you go. Your emergency calls. Look at that. No cash, no problem. It is for most people in this country. There we go. Let's carry on camping. Let's carry on rooting around, Michelle. Come on. Let's see what we've got. Duke's our leader today. The local bus stop. Just walking back now. Lovely fresh morning again. What Duke's up to? Have you found Duke? Come on the way. Come on, Mr. Man. Off you go. Come on. Get him a set of wheels, I think. Look at that waggy tail. Duke's isn't bad either. There we go. We're going to go up through this little stile now, back up to the car park, back to our camper van. One at a time, two at a time. Well done, Shell. Here we are now. We're back to Fanny, the camper van. Give a quick tour of her actually. You're going to hop in there, Shell? I'll just walk in through the side door actually. Oh, here we go. This is our little Duke. Sit down, mate. Sit. You're good, is it? You know, look at that smiley face. Yeah? Yeah, that smiley face. That's Duke. There's our little bus. I have to excuse all the rubbish that's in there. This is the inside of LVW camper. That's the other side. This is all our little knickknacks. I'll actually show you Fanny herself, the original Fanny. There we go. In fact, she's missing. Oh, she's there. She's hung up on the door. I'll take you to the outside of it. There we go. Take you to the outside. So that's Fanny. I think she's been hung actually. I don't know why she's stuffed in there like that. Michelle, can you do the honours and make Fanny more comfortable, please?
Okay.
She looks like she's been strangled. There's the driver for today. And there's Fanny. Eh? Fanny the painter. Oh, let's just take you back round again. See you on the back. See what we get around the back. Look. Oh, that's us. One life, live it. There you go. That's us all evolving into a VW T25. So, like I say, hope you enjoy our videos. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are in the world, and keep on rocking. Well, here we are, just travelling back from Daresbury, on our way to walk Duke the dog. There's the three amigos here. There's me, Michelle, and Duke the dog. He's tired now after his walk. We're going to get some more today because he enjoys it. Like I said, we're going to go up and have a little bit of a walk around the Penny Ferry and Woolston Eyes and see what's up there. So, everybody enjoy your day. Apologies about the noise, but that's life in a Volkswagen T25. Especially when it's 35, 36 years old. There's two things. One, it's very noisy. And too, when you're on the roads, you notice that you're always at the front of the queue. It's marvellous, different pace of life. So everybody, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, wherever you are in the world, and keep on rocking. So, this is penny ferry we talked about yesterday. So what you do, excuse the wobble of the thing, you walk up to this guy here, on one side of the ship canal. This is the Latchford side, or the Woolston side as it is now. So you walk up to the jetty. If you want him, you whistle him from that side, and the guy rolls over, picks you up, takes you back to the other side, and just through there is Thelwall village, and you can have a nice pub lunch there at the Pickering Arms, or the cottage as I call it, and then come back via the ferry or a longer walk round to walk your dinner off after a lovely Sunday afternoon lunch. We're not going to go there today, we're actually going to do a separate video for that. But if you look down there, that side, that's Latchford Lock where we were yesterday, with the railway viaduct in the distance. So that's Liverpool way. And this way is Thelwall Viaduct. Busier and busier since we built this new housing estate around here, but that's no problem, we don't mind people. And there is Duke and Michelle. It's a little bit chilly this morning, but yeah, there we go. So we're going to have a nice walk. Some more dog walkers here now, so we'll say just keep on rocking.